We just woke up.
Good morning.
How are you guys today? We're kind of chilling. We have a busy day today, as always.
Yeah. We want to go to mini golf. It's my first time going to mini golf.
I used to go to Scandia when I was a kid, and I've been to a couple other mini golf places, so I'm a little experienced, but baby got to miss out. So we're gonna go and check it out.
Yeah.
So, and then we've got some dinner later. We gotta fill up some water bottles for our water thingy, and I'm gonna work out.
I'm just gonna get ready. I'm still waking up.
Yeah.
I need more of this right now. Let's get ready for the day. It's 9:30. I'm not gonna work out today. I don't feel like it, but that's alright. I still need caffeine. And let's do some makeup. I don't feel like doing anything too heavy. It's gonna be pretty hot today. It's 90 already, so something nice and easy and light. Okay, let's get to it. Do you guys like to get ready with music or YouTube in the background? I personally love watching vlogs. Almost done. Back support. My favorite. We made it at Swingers Mini Golf. Surprisingly, once we got out the elevator, it was right here next to the elevators by the parking garage.
Did not expect that. So
I
we're here
know.
a whole 30 minutes early. They're just about to open, and I guess we're gonna
check in. Maybe they'll let us
check in
yeah.
and see if we can start. So we're on the hot air balloon course, you guys. I guess there's multiple courses. This is a really cool hallway. Reception was down there. Oops, sorry, Carla. Reception was down there. And there's this nice hallway with these infinity mirrors. And let's go check out one of the courses. Kind of minimalist. Very nice. There's plenty of seating. You guys, this is so cool. I actually did not expect this nice of a place. This is really awesome.
Oh, you're cheating! You're cheating! Seven's right there. Just finished our game here at Swingers at the hot air balloon course. It was a lot of fun.
Was it?
Yeah.
How do you feel? It was your first time playing mini golf.
It was a lot of fun. I would definitely do it again.
Yeah, it was a little bit short. It was only 9 holes, but they were 9 really good holes. They were iconic ones, and I think that, I mean, I've been mini golfing a lot before, so it was some really, they had some really good ones.
Yeah.
It was really good.
So now we got to do the carnival, which is their arcade.
And I think that's on the next floor up.
Yeah. We're back home from the swingers mini golf. That was a lot of fun.
That was so much fun. I was blown away. I did not expect it to be so much fun.
Yeah.
And it was just 9 holes. It was just like half a round, but it was so good. They had all the hits, and then there was even the carnival.
I know.
Which was included with our tickets because we got like a two-person golf round and 2 people for the carnival. So that was so cool.
It was. And then whenever you play the games at the carnival, you can get tickets, just like, you know, regular, or is it arcade?
Arcade, yeah.
But this is what we got. This cup, and this has swingers on it. It's pretty cool. How many tickets did we have again?
We had like 500 something, but we're gamers, you guys. Don't expect to get 500 tickets when you go. I mean, you know, we're professionals, right? What can we say? But, you know.
And then, I'm gonna take it out because of the glare, but here's this
Kind of a nice pen.
It's a nice pen. See the logo on there? I might use this for work, actually. We were gonna give this to one of y'all, but this one's mine now.
Jacked.
So yeah, whenever you went in there, you know, they gave you your little card and then a little pencil.
Oh, you got to keep the pencil too?
Yeah.
Bro, that's sick. That's pretty cool. This is some OG. And it's got an eraser. You know, real golf pencils, I don't think have erasers.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I'm just saying.
But yeah, then
pretty
here's your
cool.
card. You can have for people. I'm pretty sure you can have more.
Yeah.
But we tallied up what we got here, and it was really good. So we did the hot air balloon course. So hopefully next time we go, we get a different course. That'd be pretty cool.
And they give you a map.
And then they give you a map. That was so much fun. And
Man.
the vibe was so good. Like,
The employees, they all had like such a vibe. They were all so chill and like in good moods.
Yeah.
Man, it was an experience.
That was so nice.
If you're even thinking about going to swingers,
just go. It
go.
was so fun.
It is worth it.
Yeah. But
And
yeah.
it looked like it was gonna be packed, and it was, but they controlled the flow so well.
They really did.
They have a good system there, and so far it's been working good for them.
Yeah, and the time slots really do like make the flow happen.
Right.
Yeah. But yeah, this is for one of you guys. But that drive home, It was a long one with the traffic and it's hot outside. I think I'm gonna take a nap.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll probably play some Call of Duty.
Dinner for today is Juan's Flaming Fajitas. It's tucked away on Centennial and Simmons in North Las Vegas.
Yeah, if you haven't been here, you need to try it.
Mm-hmm.
Got comfortable.
Jams.
Dinner was really good. It's always good there.
Yeah, Juan's Flaming Fajitas is fire. We've been recommended them from so many people, even like a couple friends from work, a couple friends from outside of work. So it's like a Las Vegas staple at this point. They are fire.
Yeah, we got the 3-meat fajita. Mm-hmm. It was meant for 3 people.
For 3 people.
But we wanted leftovers, so we got that. But the meats that we chose was chicken, steak, and shrimp.
Yeah.
And then that side of rice and beans is so good. Every time.
And we got both kinds of tortillas, corn and flour. And those are freshly made there.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You can't beat that.
You literally cannot.
No.
If you haven't had fresh tortillas, you don't know. Oof.
Yeah.
And we didn't get any dessert. We were going to, but
no, we got so full.
The fajitas were so piled up. It was crazy.
Oh my God, especially once you get the chips with the salsa and the beans, and then they bring over like the little cup of soup, the fideo. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was already getting full after that.
Right. And then we did order the guacamole. Yeah. And on the menu, it said it was going to be tableside, but they just brought it already pre-made. So it was like, you know, we paid for tableside, but pre-made is fine. Mm-hmm. So it is what it is. So all in all, it's always a good experience. But one little thing is...
No, but we think it's because it was the small guacamole too.
Yeah, there's a possibility that it's only large guacamole that's tableside.
But they make it there, yeah.
So.
And then they had live music there.
Yeah, they always do. I think Monday through Friday or something like that.
Yeah, so it was really good.
Yeah, it was nice. It's always nice. It's always really nice in there. Mm-hmm. So they have a good thing going. They're not like any other restaurant around here.
Yeah.
So.
But for the rest of the night, we want to play some video games, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Today's going to be a pretty chill day. All we really have to do is just meal prep and organize the cabinet.
Yep. And also we have to figure out how to get this capture card to work for our gaming content. We spent about like 20 minutes right now trying to figure it out, but it's still giving us a black screen. So
yeah,
we'll see. Maybe, hopefully today we can figure it out.
But we've been drinking our caffeine, so we're ready to work out. So let's get into that one. Good morning, Mr. Juan. Good boy. Oh my god, it's hot. All we need is broccoli. I guess we didn't eat the cart, huh?
Get another one?
Same size?
Yeah.
Broccoli.
Bring your broccoli. Place your broccoli in the bag.
It's meal prep time! And today we're making chicken mole. We have our chicken thighs, mole sauce, brown rice, and broccoli. So I'll start with washing 1.5 cups of brown rice. And that goes into our rice cooker with 3 cups of water. Next, I'm gonna throw my chicken in the pan. I have my pan heated up with some avocado oil. My chicken is seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic, and a little bit of paprika. Now that my chicken's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my broccoli. So I've got 2 whole things of broccoli, and I'm just gonna cut off these bits with as much stem as I want. This is all edible too, you guys. If you want to eat that, go for it. It doesn't have as much flavor as the florets do, but it's got a lot of nutrients in it. And if you don't use it, you can also save it, just like all your other vegetables, and throw it in a stock pot and make soup with it. And then I'm just gonna cut them to size. I'll give them a good wash and set them aside. Next, I'm going to work on the actual mole. Today we're just using Doña Maria's regular mole sauce. This is the fun part, getting it out. And I'm going to add 3 cups of water to that. And we're just going to start trying to break up the mix so that it can all be nice and silky smooth. The mole is almost finished dissolving, so I'm going to start adding some extra flavor to it. A couple bits of garlic. Some chicken bouillon. A little bit of onion powder. And I like it spicy, so I'm going to just put a little bit of cayenne in there. Mix. Don't splash on yourself because this is scorching hot and it will stick right to you. Now I'm going to switch to a whisk to make sure I beat up all those little bits of the mole mix. You don't want any of them in there. You want it to be nice and smooth. I'm going to add a little bit more water. it's getting a little pasty and I want it to be more like a sauce. And then you just taste. Very good. Alright, I'm gonna shut that off. We're gonna go back to check on our chicken. The rest of our chicken is finished up. I'm gonna pull it off and let it rest for a little bit. I'm gonna give our pan a wash and we're gonna work on our broccoli. And for our broccoli, we're just gonna throw it in the pan, pour a little bit of water on it and cover it up so it can steam. And the way I check it is I just get a piece and bite into the stem. Just ready. Still nice and crispy, but soft enough to chew.
Now we're ready to dish it out. I'm gonna start with the rice. I'm doing half a cup of the cooked rice. Now I'm gonna go in with the chicken. And then our vegetables. And then the most important thing, which is the mole sauce. And there's our meal prep. We had a lot of things planned today for the vlog, but with the heat and when we went outside, I started to feel really drained and nauseous from it. So I think we're gonna relax for the rest of the day.
Yeah,
Oh my God, this
we're gonna
Mally
take the day off. Mally doesn't feel good either. he's coughing up a hairball. So we're gonna have to see you guys next time. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and commenting.
And we'll nothing. That's it. Bye.
We'll see you next time.